Jamushi Travels is back and today we'll share to your Holiday Inn Express experience.
Okay, so may free shuttle 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. dito sa may bridge. At dahil dyan, sakay na tayo sa free shuttle.
Hi, welcome to Manila.
Manila!
Hello, welcome to Holiday Inn Express, Manila Newport. So we're staying for one night. And this is very near Terminal 3. And ayan, let's have a tour. So ito yung restroom nila. So ayan, may bidet naman. Kaya okay. Tapos, may vanity kit. In fairness yung iba kasi hindi na nagbibigay. Tapos, yung ano nila is soak. Yan. Tapos ito, shower. Shower siya. Pero walang rainfall, no? Pero okay na rin. Maganda na rin yung pagka-design. And open concept, ayan, may nakabukas yung closet. Tapos ngayon, 2 single beds yung pinili natin. And nag-request tayo ng ayan, ano daw? Airport view. Ayan, ang ganda, di ba? Diyan hinuli si Yan. Okay. Kitang-kita natin yung runway at mga airplane. Tapos, meron din namang work desk dito kung kailangan mo mag-work. Tapos, yung safe. Yan, may safe. May mini ref. And may coffee station. And libreng tea. Nescafe Classic, Decaf. Tsaka may water din. Ayan. So, refillable glass daw yung water nila. Fresh from filtered water. So, ganun na yata yung uso ngayon, mga refillable.
Magkano mo na-book ito?
So, ginamit natin points. So, paminsan may discount si IHG. So, parang 10,000 points lang. So, sulit. Kasi usually wala ng 10,000 points na mabubuk.
Maputi na yung ano mo.
Okay. So, ayun. Let's have this stay. Let's enjoy our stay.
Amir,
See
siguro
you.
pwede ka sa Amir.
Bye-bye.
That is for our room. Now let's move forward to what the breakfast looks like.
And we have juice. Pan request. Open 24 hours. Maximum of 6 kilo. Eto. Magkano yun?
Sa ano daw malalaman eh.
Ah,
Sa baba, malalaman.
okay. So at least meron pala. Okay din. Okay. Ano ba? Mitsu. Okay. Kung sa 87 eh. Okay din pala.
Nalinis.
Nag-rolling din na.
Oh, at may tubig.
May tubig din.
Okay. Maganda.
So that's the end of our Holiday Inn Express adventure. So this is our favorite spot when we need an accommodation near the airport. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe.